StainerShield XT slide identification labels are specifically designed for pre-stainer labeling of slides with barcodes and text. They are formulated to withstand extended exposures to the harshest histology staining and slide preparation protocols, including chemical and reagents such as xylene, toluene, alcohol, ethanol, hematoxylin, eosin, temperature extremes, microwaves, and decloakers. StainerShield XT labels remain on the slide, the text stays readable, and the barcodes remain scannable after staining throughout the lab process, including archiving. Extensive testing has been done that includes a wide array of chemicals as well as temperature extremes of heat and cold. StainerShield XT labels were specifically designed to be resistant to hematoxylin, eosin, special stain designs, and immunohistochemical, or IHC, stains. For the purposes of this demonstration, we submerge the labels fully in a series of histology stains. StainerShield XT labels have proven to be the best at scanning after exposure to hematoxylin, eosin, special stains, and IHC stains. StainerShield XT labels are produced exclusively by General Data Healthcare, the barcode experts for the histology lab.